This video is how to add and use text in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So I have a clip here of people doing business negotiations. If you press T or press this bit here, the type tool, and then press wherever you want on your screen, this will activate the text tool. And what you do now is type in what you want. Sometimes you can use caps, sometimes, well, if you want to use caps you can. I'm gonna put hello there, and then that's kind of it for there. But if you want to do more to it, double click it and it will activate this whole page here. Also, just quickly, there's a thing here where you can see your text and stuff like that and zoom it in and out, whatever. But if you hold on and then move it so you've highlighted it, you have your font. You can change it. So I like to use Arial and then Black Destiny for my videos. You have an option to move it into the enter align text. Just got loads of options here, same here, whatever. And you have the option here to move it. If you double click on any of these, you have the option to change it manually. You just move it up and down like this. You can make it bigger, which is what I'm gonna do. And then the opacity, which is how much you can see it. So you can keyframe stuff from here, or you can do it in the effect controls. It is kind of just up to you. It's completely up to you, or you can mask it as well. Just like a little bit here. You can edit it in and out if you want, just kind of whatever. What I'd like to show you now is how to make a nice outline around the text. If you go over here to where it says stroke, you tick it and it looks more thicker now. And if you change it to what you want, I probably wouldn't have it too big. And then you change the color to, let's just say black. Now your text looks like this. It's really useful and I just think it looks nicer compared to before. If you like this video, watch this one here, subscribe.